Today I'm going to present the machine design problem. So the first problem is, the maximum pressure of air is a 920-inch cylinder, double air compressor is 125 PSIG. What should be the diameter of the piston rod if it's made of IC 3148 OQT at 100 F, and if there are no stress ranges and no column action, then factor safety is equal to 1.75 indefinite life design. How does your answer compare with that obtained before? So these are the following areas. Diameter is equal to 20-inch, pressure of 125, then converted to pound force per inch squared. So the material AISI stands for American Iron and Steel Institute is equal to 3140 OQT at 100 Fahrenheit. So the factor safety is 1.75 and SU is 153 PSI, S1 is 134 PSI. So first, we're going to find the area. So formula for area is pi d squared over 4. Then substitute the value to get this answer, 314 inch squared. So to solve the first, we just multiply the pressure times area, 125 pounds over inch squared times 314 15 inch squared, and cancel out the inch to get 39.268 pounds. So Sn is equal to 0.5 multiplied by 153. Then we have 76.5 PSI. Then SE is KE times EB times SN is equal to 0.8 times 585 times 76.5 for the value of SN is equal to 52.02 PSI. So the factor of safety 1.75. The allowable stress is equal to SE over N. So 52.02 divided by factor safety of 1.75. We can have this value of 29.725. So the rod diameter, we just put in the value for this 29.725 for the F for 1000 pi d squared. So we just substitute it and to get the answer of 1.29. So the second problem, a link action is to be made of AISI 30, ER30 1000 Fahrenheit. The load of 5 kPa is repeated and reversed. For the time A, ignore the stress concentration A. If its surface is machined, what should be its diameter for N? 1.40, and B, the same as A, except that the surface is mirrored, polished. What would be the percentage saving weight? So the C is the same as A, except that the surface is raised. So these are the following given. Force of 5 kPa, then we just multiply by 1000 to get this value. 1 kPa is equal to 1000 pounds. Factor safety of 1.40. Material, American Institute and American Iron Steel Institute is 2,930. SU of 95 PSI. Then we can have the value of SN. 0.5 times SU is equal to 47.5 PSI. So A, surface machine, KE is equal to 0.80. The load action is PC is equal to 0.25. SE 47.5 times 0.85 is equal to 27.5. So the allowable is 27.5 divided 1.40 is 19.64 PSI. Then the diameter is just the same. From number 1, we just substitute the value and shift to get this answer. In B, surface factor A is equal to 0.90, EB is 0.25, AC is 0.85. SE is equal to SN times KA, EB times PC. So let's substitute the value to get this answer, 30.8 KSI. So the allowable is 30.88 divided factor safety of 1.40 is 22.05 KSI. So the same as the formula, we can get the diameter by substituting the values, then shift solve. So the diameter we can have 0.54. To get the percentage, we just have this formula, diameter 1 squared minus diameter 2 squared over diameter 1 squared times 100. So diameter 1 is 0.27 squared minus 0.54 squared over 0.57 squared is equal to 0.1029, then multiply by 100 to get this value of 10.29%. Letter C. KE is 0.70, TB is 0.85, KC is 0.25. So, substitute all the values, then we just multiply to the obvious answer, 24.02 KSI. And the same formula, we can have this value, so we just multiply or just divide it to have this answer, 78.15. Then plus, combine the diameter is just the same. Substitute all the given values, then we see from the diameter is 0.61 inch. A lever as shown with a rectangular section is to be designed for indefinite line and reverse load of force is equal to 900 pounds. Find the dimension of the section without discontinuity where B is equal to 2.8 feet and length for 14 inch. For a design factor of 2, the material of AISI C1020 as shown with an asphalt surface. B. Compute the dimension of the section where E is equal to 40. So this is the diagram for number 8. We have this value force of 900 to 900 pounds and total length of 14 inch, B of 2.8 T, and the IC material is C1020, factor safety of 2. So the SY is 25 PSI, then we just multiply it by 0.5 to get the ST is equal to 27.5 PSI. So these are the following givens. KE is equal to 0.7, TB is 0.85, GC is 1.0. So to find the SE, we just substitute all the values to have this answer, 16.36 PSI. So the allowable stress is SE over factor safety of 2, 16.36 divided 2 is 8.18 PSI, or to convert it in PSI is 8,180. So A, to find the moment, we just multiply the force and length. So force of 900 times 14 inch is equal to 12,600 pounds per inch. Then this one, we can substitute the values to find EQ. So S is equal to BE squared over 6 is equal to 2.8 T squared over 6 is equal to 0.467 T cubed. So allowable is M is equal to M over S over T cube is equal to 8,180 is equal to 12,600 over 0.467 times T cube. So we can just division 8 to get that is 1.48. To find the B, we just need to substitute the value for T, 1.48 to have this answer, 4.48 inch. It's just the same but different in total length because in the length here, there is another length for E is 4 inch and we just add 14 plus 4 is 18. So 900 times 18 is equal to 16,200. Then we just do the same. 8,108 is equal to 16,200 over 0.467 times T cube. T is 1.62. Then for the B, we just substitute the value for T. 2.8 times 1.62 is equal to 4.53 inches. So these are the answers.